Private care at the Royal National Orthopaedic Hospital is a world-renowned centre of excellence for orthopaedic surgery and musculoskeletal medicine, supported by cutting-edge technology and latest research. We treat patients from across the world, many of whom have been referred by other hospitals for second opinions or treatment of complex or rare conditions. Our consultants are highly specialised, with leading national and international reputations and the lowest complication rate amongst orthopaedic centres in the country. We offer a unique range of neuromusculoskeletal services, ranging from the most acute spinal injury and complex bone tumour to paediatrics and specialist rehabilitation.
At Royal National Orthopaedic Hospital Private Care, we pride ourselves on our multidisciplinary approach to patient-centred care. Your complete care plan is discussed in a multi-professional team setting, ensuring the best possible decision-making according to the expert opinions of our clinicians.
Our exclusive top floor within the new Stanmore building is fully equipped with the latest and most up-to-date facilities, focused on safety, comfort and patient care. We offer large, spacious rooms with ensuite bathrooms designed to provide dignity and privacy during your stay, as well as freshly prepared meals by our own in-house catering team. Private rooms for children and young people are located in the annex of the Coxon ward, with support from school teachers, play specialists and children's nurses. Parents are welcome to stay in the room on the bedside sofa chair. Our dedicated nursing, therapies and technical staff are chosen not only for their knowledge and experience, but also for their skill and compassion in caring for patients. We will assist you in your day-to-day needs, along with your complete care plan, and help and support your recovery and discharge, as prescribed by your consultant. RNOH Private Care, treating you with care, compassion, and kindness.